Okay, welcome to the Chapter 6, Section 2, which will revolve around outlets and different place decisions presentation lecture. Please make sure that you have the note guide that goes along with Chapter 6, Section 2, so that you can copy down the notes as we go through this chapter's content, and you can use it as a study tool for upcoming assessments. All right, so let's get started. Place decision. This is the part of the marketing mix where marketers determine where and how consumers are going to be able to purchase products and services. Place decisions involve how you get your product into the hands of the customer. There are many different avenues to do so, and we will be analyzing and talking through some of the different options that are available for marketers. Reaching each type of customer, business customer or ultimate customer, is going to require a different channel of distribution. And when it comes to place and getting the products to the customer for them to purchase, we are going to utilize different channels of distribution. And they're broken up into different categories. Let's go through those now. First of all, there are direct channels. A direct channel of distribution is the path a product takes without the help of any intermediaries between the producer and the consumer. Different examples of direct channels, as they are used especially in the world of sports and entertainment, is direct marketing. Direct marketing is marketing activities to sell products directly to the customers through the use of a customer's database. You might have mailers, you might get spam mail, you might even now get text messages from different manufacturers trying to sell and market products to customers directly without having to go through an intermediary such as a wholesaler or a retailer. In order for them to accomplish their direct marketing goals, they might call you and try and sell you something over the telephone. They might send print mailers via snail mail. They might use television, such as infomercials. They might even use email and internet, which is those spam emails I mentioned just a little bit earlier. All of those are elements of direct marketing as a sub-channel of direct distribution channels. All right, so when it comes to indirect channels, indirect channel is the path a product takes using intermediaries between the producer and the consumer. Within the sports and entertainment world, agents are a way of indirect distributing products and services, as well as wholesalers and retailers. Now, in some instances, multiple channels can be used, which is going to involve more than one type of distribution. So it is quite possible and very routine in most cases that different indirect and direct channels of distribution will be used in order to get the product to the customer. Now, when it comes to channels of distribution, let's take a look at this graphic organizer to show you a picture of how it works. Direct channel. A direct channel means it goes right from the manufacturer to the consumer. There is no intermediaries in play. Indirect channel brings mediaries into play. So the manufacturer might sell it to the wholesaler is going to sell it to the retailer, and then finally it's available to the consumer. Now there's also other options where a manufacturer might take advantage of multiple channels. Might go the direct route and sell directly for the manufacturer to the consumer, but might also go with indirect routes such as through a website, through a wholesaler, or through a retailer. So different avenues of distribution, all techniques and tactics used to get a product or service into the hands of the consumer. All right, let's take a look at a real life example, so to speak. When it comes to this, if we just take a look at this for a second, venues both large and small are going to offer electronic ticketing or use services such as Ticketmaster or TicketWeb to offer tickets. Some of us might have already used some of these services in order to get tickets to go to our favorite entertainment events. Now, when a consumer orders online, you may end up paying a convenience fee for the opportunity to be able to purchase your tickets this way, but you never have to wait in line. You immediately get vindication of your purchase, and you have access now to the event because you have completed your purchase. You can choose to have paper tickets shipped to you in some cases, but more often than not, some people will decide to use will call option that allows people to pick up their tickets at the time of the event, at the window before entering the event. Now, this has obviously evolved with the with the use of technology, now you can use your tickets through an app on your cell phone. Possibly could have them mailed or texted to your cell phone so that you can verify that using a PDF or a scan code. So there are different ways that the consumers can do this without having to actually purchase and receive the paper tickets. And a very short section 6.2 in chapter 6 regarding place. So please make sure that you review the slides as necessary to get the notes down that you need for this section and use it as a study tool for upcoming assessments. And I'll see you next time we meet in class.